Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create a WhatsApp group very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the WhatsApp, and here you can see three dot on the top right corner. So after this click on new group. So after this here you can see your contact. So select the contact which you want to add. So after selecting, then click on it. So after this here you can see group name. So write the name of group. So after writing the name, so here you can see disappearing message. So you can select on or off. So after selecting it, so go back. So here you can see group permission. So here you can see different options like edit group setting. This include the name, icon, description, disappearing message timer, and ability to pin, keep or unkeep message. So if you want to turn it on, so you can turn it on or off. So here you can see send message. So if you want to keep secret group, so just click on it. So here by this only you can send the message in the group. So if you want to add other members, so you can see when you will turn it off, so no one can add the member in the group. So if you will turn it on, so everyone can add members in the group. So by this easiest process you can make a WhatsApp group very easily. So after all setting, click on done options. So you can see the WhatsApp group is created. So guys, in this way you can create WhatsApp group very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.